Right? Everybody here wants to be successful? Okay. Let's understand success. What is required to be successful? There are two things that are required basically. One is what we call domain expertise. Yeah? Which means that if you are a doctor, you should know where the kidneys are. Or if you are an architect, you should know the difference between the floor and the ceiling. Right? Are you getting what I'm saying? Or if you are a chemical engineer, you should know that H2 stands for hydrogen. Things like that, domain expertise. Yes? Knowing your subject. Okay? This is one thing. The second thing is what we call soft skills. Ability to handle stress, interpersonal relationship, confidence, ability to take decisions, clarity of thought, ability to communicate. All these things. See, you might have fantastic domain expertise, you might be the best in your field, but if you cannot talk properly, is it any point? See, you can study for 4 years in IIT, get your BTech, but then you have to sit across the table and convince that guy on the other side in 5 minutes that you know what you studied for 4 years. Yes or no? Right? So, what is required is these soft skills also. One side you need domain expertise, another side you need soft skills. Now there was a study that was done in Stanford where they asked extremely successful Stanford graduates, how much percentage do you attribute the success of your life to domain expertise and how much percentage do you attribute to soft skills? Now what do you think was the answer? More than 10,000 people were interviewed. Yeah? What do you think was the answer? No, percentage bolo na. How many? How many in domain expertise? How much percentage domain expertise? 20? 30? You want to know the result? This was what the successful people who were Stanford graduates said, that 87.5% of the success that I have in my life, I attribute to me being a nice person. Of course, you can be a very nice person and not know shit about your subject and still not succeed. So this is important. 12.5% is important, but it is 12.5%. Now, if you check out the time, effort and money that you spend in developing these two, it is absolutely the opposite. Yeah? More than 90% of your time, effort and money goes into domain expertise. Study. Right? Very little of your time, effort and money do you invest in developing soft skills. Yes? This is why India today has become a country of the educated unemployable. Yeah? You know, Narayan Murthy, head of Infosys, actually wrote a letter to the Chartered Accountancy Association of India this year. He hired the top 10 graduates of CA. Top 10. Within 6 months, he had to fire 6 of those people. Zero over here. Cannot communicate, no clarity of thought, no ability to take decisions. He wrote a letter saying, what are you doing? What kind of people are you training? Yes? So, the way you are right now, are you geared for success? The effort, time and money that you are spending on your education, is it taking you towards success or is it taking you towards something else? This is the question you have to ask.